Welcome to LATAM MedTech Insights. This week, we turn our attention to Brazil, the region's largest market, where a significant regulatory shift is underway. Last week, Brazil's health surveillance agency, ANVISA, made two pivotal announcements that are set to redefine market access. First, they have officially moved towards accepting digital-only leaflets for medical devices, phasing out the mandatory printed versions. Second, in a surprising move, ANVISA has revoked its previous traceability regulations. These are not minor tweaks. They represent a fundamental change in how medtech companies will operate in Brazil. The transition to digital leaflets is a clear nod to modernization. For years, manufacturers have grappled with the logistical and financial burden of printing, shipping, and managing physical instruction-for-use documents in Portuguese. A medium-sized company with 20 product lines could spend tens of thousands of dollars annually on this alone, not to mention the waste generated from outdated leaflets. For instance, a US-based diagnostics company recently had to scrap an entire shipment of product kits bound for Sao Paulo because a minor software update to their device made the printed manual obsolete. Under the new rule, they could simply update a PDF on their server, accessible via a QR code on the product label. This change promises to reduce costs, streamline logistics, and allow for real-time updates to critical information. However, this digitalization brings new challenges. Companies must now ensure their digital infrastructure is robust and secure. They need to validate that the digital leaflets are accessible to all end users, from highly equipped urban hospitals to rural clinics with limited internet access. There are also new cybersecurity concerns to address. Simultaneously, the revocation of traceability regulations adds another layer of complexity. While this may seem like a reduction in regulatory burden, it raises questions about supply chain integrity and anti-counterfeiting measures. Previously, the industry was preparing for a system similar to those in Europe and the US, which require unique device identification and tracking. This reversal forces companies to rethink their supply chain strategy for Brazil. It highlights a broader trend across Latin America. While many countries are aligning with global standards, key markets like Brazil are still forging their own unique regulatory paths. This creates a complex patchwork of rules where a one-size-fits-all approach is doomed to fail. Navigating this evolving landscape requires deep local knowledge and a proactive strategy. Understanding the nuances of these changes is critical for success. For expert guidance on adapting to Brazil's new digital regulations and optimizing your market access strategy across Latin America, reach out to the team at Pure Global. You can email us at info@pureglobal.com or visit our website at https:/pureglobal.com/.